Welcome to PTI, BetterGradesFast.com, multimedia tutorials. This tutorial is on essay writing. First thing is first. What is an essay? Most of us have heard that term before, an essay. From primary school right through to university, it's a skill we need to use. So let me ask you, what's an essay? You right there, tell me, what's an essay? What's that? Perfect. That's exactly it. An essay is a long piece of writing. Or, as I say, an extended piece of writing. So an essay simply is an extended piece of writing. Okay. Let me add, with this video tutorial, you also have a workbook, and everything that's written here will also be in your workbook. So don't be afraid. Print off this workbook, and you're going to find that this information already in here. Okay. So, having established what's an essay, an extended piece of writing, let's see if we can build on that. It's something that we do normally. You know, at home or at school, somebody will ask you a question and you can give a short answer. Who is your favorite singer? Rihanna. Who is your favorite football team? Manchester United. Fine. Short answers. Those aren't essays. What's an essay is when you begin to explain, when you give an extended response, a long response. So, if someone asks you, why do you like Manchester United? Now you begin to get into an essay. You have to explain. You'll have to say, maybe they are the best, richest club in the world. They have the best players. They always fight to the end. You begin to explain some more. You give an extended response. Same thing with Rihanna. Why do you like Rihanna as a singer? She's a great singer. She has a great voice. She can perform. She's beautiful. You begin to give an extended piece of writing, extended response. Now, the thing about essays is that we can have a wide range of them. They're like ice cream. You can have chocolate, vanilla, coconut. Same thing with essays, and different types of essays. And I just want to write a few down here for you, because you're going to be using them throughout the course of your stay at school and at university. So, an essay, maybe sometimes just to give information. That's an informative essay. Sometimes an essay may be to argue a point, an argumentative or persuasive essay. Sometimes an essay is simply to entertain, in which case it's a story. So it's to entertain, which are a story. So different types of essays. But the thing about essays is that no matter the type, there is a format in which you write essay. It's basically 3 parts: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. So an essay has 3 parts. And I want to write that down for you as well. An essay has 3 parts. 3 parts of an essay. They are: 1, introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Now, if you were to imagine that the essay looks like the human body, the introduction is the head. See my head? Not too big. What's that? No, not too big. My body, full, large. So that's going to be the meat of the essay. A lot of stuff here. And then the conclusion, your feet. It's where you walk off. It's where you end your essay. And in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we write great essays. It's different steps, but we'll be exploring all of them.